So I worked with a Margonaut lab, which it's a soils lab. And we were looking at the trade-offs between two methods for mitigating lead in soil for the purpose of urban agriculture. So, you know, urban agriculture is becoming more and more popular. And it's a great way to reduce food insecurity, and it's, you know, it's good for people, like it's good for communities, but urban soils are often contaminated. So we looked at the effect of arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi on the lead uptake and distribution in tomatoes, and the effect of the application of phosphorus on that relationship. Yeah, so I worked in the greenhouse a lot. And I loved working in the greenhouse. I didn't think I was going to because it's really hot, but it's also a really neat place to work. And I had 60 tomato plants with different levels of phosphorus application, and some that were that made this fungus relationship really easily, and some that didn't make it easily. And really what I did was I watered tomatoes a lot. I watered them by mass. I did it every day. I would bring them up to a certain water holding capacity. The soil has to be the same water holding capacity every day, so I'd bring it up to the correct water holding capacity. And I would make a lot of observations. So a lot of observing whether or not they're suffering, whether or not they have pressure from microbes, from pathogens, or water stress, nutrient deficiencies, that kind of thing. Checking how they're going when they're in enthesis, which is flowering, that kind of thing. I feel so lucky to have been matched with my mentor. She's amazing. She's a very good sense of humor. She made everything really fun. She is really into soil science herself. She's a master's in crop sciences, and she's very knowledgeable, and her passion for what she's doing was really contagious. I don't know if I can say that I've felt like a scientist, but I certainly felt a lot more competent. It was hard to leave. It felt weird being in the lab for the last time. It was okay. It was gratifying and stimulating and engaging. I really loved the lab that I was paired with. I really liked talking to and working with everyone there. They were all very helpful and supportive. They were all intelligent and funny and good-humored.